Hello and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of bringing your loved ones to live with you abroad? Whether it's your spouse, children, parents, or even siblings, family sponsorship is one of the most powerful ways to reunite families across borders. But here is the thing that every country makes it easy. In this video, we'll explore countries with the easiest, most accessible, and most family-friendly immigration sponsorship programs. We'll look at eligibility rules, who you can sponsor, processing times, financial requirements, and real tips to boost your chances. So stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where and how to start your family sponsorship journey. Number 1. What is family sponsorship? Let's start with the basics. What is family sponsorship? Family sponsorship is an immigration pathway where a citizen or permanent resident sponsors certain family members to join them in the country legally and permanently. Typically, the sponsor must be a legal resident or citizen, prove a genuine family relationship, meet minimum income or support requirements, agree to financially support the family member for a specific period. Types of family members you can usually sponsor include spouses and common-law partners, dependent children, parents and grandparents, siblings less common, varies by country. Now, let's look at the top countries that offer the easiest and most efficient family sponsorship programs. Number 2. Canada Family Reunification Champion. Let's begin with a global favorite Canada. Canada is widely considered one of the most family-friendly immigration countries in the world. Who can you sponsor? Spouse or common-law partner, dependent children, parents and grandparents. In some cases, orphan siblings, nieces, nephews under 18. Processing time, spouse partner, approximately 12 months. Parents, approximately 24 months. Requirements for the sponsor: be 18 or older, be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, meet minimum income requirement varies by family size, sign an undertaking to support the sponsored person for 3 tips. Use the family class category for faster processing. You can apply inland within Canada or outland from abroad. Canada has regular parent-grandparent sponsorship draws. Why it's easy, transparent process. No language or job offer requirement for the sponsored person. Dual intent is accepted visitor visa plus PR intention. Number 3. New Zealand straightforward for partners. Next up is New Zealand, known for its simple and fast partnership-based visas. Who can you sponsor? Spouse or partner including same-sex and de facto relationships. Dependent children under 24. Parents through parent-resident visa limited spaces. Processing time, partnership temporary visa. Partnership residence visa, 10-15 months. Requirements: must live together for at least 12 months for a residence visa. Sponsor must be a New Zealand citizen or resident. No minimum income requirement except for parents. Start with a temporary visa and transition to residence. Provide plenty of proof of relationship, photos, messages, joint accounts. New Zealand immigration is known for checking relationship authenticity closely. Why it's easy: no formal sponsorship undertaking for partners. Even temporary visa lets you live and work in NZ while applying for residence. Number 4. Australia Partner and Parent Sponsorship. Moving on to Australia, which has robust options for partner, parent, and child sponsorship. Who can you sponsor? Spouse, fiancé, or de facto partner. Children. Parents limited quotas and long wait times. Processing time, partner visa, 11-15 months. Parent visa, up to 10 years unless using fast-track options. Requirements: sponsor must be a permanent resident or citizen. Must show a genuine and continuing relationship. Financial capability for parent visa assurance of support. Tips: partner visa has a 2-stage process. temporary first, then permanent. Parents have both contributory faster, more expensive, and non-contributory cheaper, slower options. Why it's easy for partners, strong support for genuine relationships. You can apply while unsure and get bridging visa rights. High success rate for well-prepared applications. Number 5. United Kingdom spouse and child sponsorship. In the United Kingdom, family sponsorship focuses on spouses, children, and elderly parents in exceptional cases. Who can you sponsor, spouse or partner? Children under 18. Parents only if they need long-term personal care and available in home country. Processing time, spouse partner visa, approximately 3 months. Child visa. Requirements, sponsor must earn at least $18,600 per year more if sponsoring children. Pass English language test. Relationship proof required marriage certificate, cohabitation, etc. Tips, consider starting with a UK Yankee visa. Keep digital proof of relationship, travel history, social media, joint bills. Why it's relatively easy. Online application system. Access to fast-track premium processing. No points-based system for family visas. Number 6. Germany efficient for EU families. If you're living in Germany, especially as an EU citizen, you'll find it quite simple to sponsor your family. Who can you sponsor, spouse or registered partner? Children under 18. Parents only under exceptional family reunion circumstances. Processing time, 3 to 6 months, varies by embassy. Requirements, stable income and adequate housing. Basic German language A1 for spouse. Sponsor must have residence permit or be an EU citizen. Tips, language integration support is widely available. Spouses can work as soon as they arrive. If you're an EU citizen in Germany, rules are even more flexible. Number 7. Honorable mentions. Let's take a quick look at a few more countries that offer easy or unique family sponsorship options. Spain. Non-EU citizens with legal residency can sponsor spouses and children. Family reunification is relatively fast, about 68 months. Portugal. Part of the D7 and Golden Visa programs includes family reunification. Great for retirees and remote workers bringing families. Brazil. Sponsors can apply for family reunification for spouses, children, siblings, and even in-laws. Easy process with fewer financial barriers. Ireland. Citizens and residents can sponsor non-EU spouses and children. No formal income threshold, but financial support is reviewed. Number 8. Comparison chart and recommendation. Country, who you can sponsor. EBG, processing time. Income requirement. Ease rating, Canada. Spouse, child, parents. 12-24 months, yes, New Zealand. Partner, child. Minimal, Australia. Partner, child, parent. 12-36 months, yes, UK. Spouse, child, 30, yes. Germany, spouse, child. Months, yes plus A1 language. Spain, spouse, children. 6, moderate. Number 9, final tips for a successful application. Before we wrap up, here are 7 pro tips to make your family sponsorship application a success. Start early. Applications can take months, so don't delay. Be honest, misrepresentation can lead to bans. Gather solid relationship proof photos, joint accounts, messages, videos. Organize documents, clearly label and separate each required form. Consult an immigration advisor, especially for tricky cases or parent sponsorships. Check expiry dates, make sure your passports and certificates are valid. Follow up, track your application status, and respond to embassy emails promptly. Bringing your family together in a new country is one of the most fulfilling parts of immigration. While every country has its rules and processes, with the right information and preparation, you can succeed. Choose the country that aligns best with your situation. Understand the specific requirements. And most importantly, don't give up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and share this with someone who's trying to sponsor their family. And don't forget to subscribe, have more guides on visas, immigration, and global opportunities coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.